Good morning! It is checkout day. It's our last day at Disney. So our transportation does not get in until I think 6:30. They're coming to get us. So we have a full day ahead of us. It's very chilly. The temperature's starting to drop. Yesterday was 86 and now today it's like barely hitting 70, and what we have to go back to is a lot of snow, ice, and all the things. So not looking forward to that. So we're gonna enjoy our last warmth, even though it is a little bit chilly. But my daughter is already in the pool swimming around. I might see if I could head on into Epcot today by myself. I'm gonna see how the day takes us. Maybe I'll go after I get them something to eat or something. My mother-in-law can watch her. But anyway, yeah, just enjoying the last day here. I don't know. I always say I don't know when I'm coming back, and then I always find a way. By the way, if you're not already friends, hi, my name is Lauren. I am an annual pass holder. I have a 4-year-old daughter named Lucia. We are out-of-state pass holders. We are lucky enough to live in a very busy area, Newark Airport, that we get incredible deals. Like, we're talking $40 tickets. So we're here a lot. She's burying me here. Okay, careful.
Come on, Dad. Let's stay right here. I didn't know, sorry.
Hey, Lucia. Lucia.
What?
I have some bad news.
What?
I have some bad news.
What is it?
We can't go home tonight.
What?
We have to stay here another 2 days. We can't go home to Disney.
That's the bad news?
Yeah. Is that bad? Is that bad?
No.
And we're gonna change hotels tonight. But we're gonna stay here a while because this pool's nice. So, change of plans. Yes.
We leave Wednesday morning, my son.
Due to the snowstorm, our flight has been canceled. Darn. Unfortunately, the weather is supposed to drop the next 2 days, so it's going to be like low 50s. And I think we should be okay because I packed some warmer clothes, but I think I'm almost out of underwear, so I might have to see if I could like Amazon deliver that or something, or I wash them in the sink. I don't know. I'm not about doing laundry on vacation, so. Initially, I moved us over to Port Orleans. We haven't been there in about a year, I think. And then I was like trying to rebook our flights tomorrow, and the first flight wasn't available till Wednesday, which is another 2 days. So I'm like, great. I had already checked out, assuming that we would only stay one more night, and then so I ended up booking the All-Star Sports for the final night, and unfortunately we have a connection now. It's a whole thing, but we're just gonna make the most of it, and it's finally nice here. We're enjoying the pool. It was a little chilly this morning, but it's getting better. So, yeah. Okay. And then my mother-in-law, she went back to get her swimsuit because we thought we were leaving. So she needs to change now into her swimsuit.
2,000 years later.
Lucy, are you sleeping here tonight? Lucia? I'm talking to you. Are you sleeping here tonight? No comment. Okay. Alright. Trust me on this. If you never stayed here,
Mommy?
bring the travel size and empty one because you're going to want to fill it up on the hand soap
Mommy?
or the hand lotion and perhaps also the hand soap. It smells delicious. It smells really good. They used to give the little travel size ones and they don't do that anymore, but now they give. Oh, thank you. Nice manners. Are you brushing your teeth? No. What do you need?
I would like to stay poo-poo.
Okay, that's not okay. All right. Just honestly trust me. Honestly, trust me on bringing it because if you've never been to Disney, if you're on your way, whatever, if you haven't left yet, just bring it because when we just were at Beach Club and they also had them, it's really nice. I don't know how it is. I hear about the bacteria, but I don't know. To each their own. If you want to try it, go for it. I think it smells nice. I'm gonna do it myself. Whatever. If you enjoyed today's video and we're not already friends, please stick around and subscribe. I share a lot of room tour videos on my channel. I do a lot of Disney vlogs, packing vlogs, other things. I share all the things. So go ahead, give this video a like. It really does help support the channel. And see you in the next one or at Disney. Thanks for watching. Bye.
I've been all around the world, every city.